Good morning. I'm in the Erawan National Park and it is just 15 kilometers from the Kanchanaburi, and today I just rented a bike in the morning and by bike came to this place, and it is just the entrance of this national park. I'm sure it will be very beautiful. I saw on the internet there are some waterfalls and a lot of interesting things. So see you later. It was a very long hike, it was very difficult, and there are 7 levels of waterfalls in this park, and I came to the last level and then came back. But the thing is, I forgot my phone on the top of this road, and when I was almost on the finish, I realized that I don't have my phone with me, and you know, it was a very hard journey back to the top and then coming back again. And I think in general it was maybe 20-25 kilometers in the mountains. And now I'm sitting in a very beautiful place. There is a big lake, some houses, and the mountains.